Hello everybody. Today I'm going to start the process of restoring this Ladybug scooter. Right? As you can see, it is covered with some sort of pleather on top of a foam backing that is starting to come apart. My two girls love it, so the plan is to first remove all of this, and I'm not quite sure what the easiest method will be, but I'll try a few, and get it to a good base, including the front red part, or the back red part and the front black part. And then once all that's removed, clean it up, and then paint the whole thing, starting with the black in the front, the red in the back, and then adding, after everything's dry, adding the Ladybug dots back to it. So, stay tuned, and this will be a learning process, and maybe we'll find out a few things on the way. Thanks, everybody.